The RØDE Wireless GO series has long been a favorite among content creators, with the Wireless GO II standing out as a top seller since its launch in 2021. Now, RØDE has introduced their latest evolution in the compact microphone lineup, the RØDE Wireless GO III. Designed to replace the highly regarded GO II, this new model brings exciting updates. But what's changed, and is it worth the upgrade? Hey everyone, I'm Adam from Messenger Bag Media, and today we're comparing the new RØDE Wireless GO III with its predecessor, the Wireless GO II. The GO III boasts impressive new features that set it apart from its predecessor. In fact, it shares a striking resemblance in functionality with their flagship option, the RØDE Wireless Pro, and it's over $100 cheaper. For a comparison between the GO III and Wireless Pro, check out the info card in the corner. As of this recording, both the Wireless GO III and GO II are still available for purchase on RØDE's official website for the same price, although it's likely that the GO II will be discontinued soon. Regardless, which microphone is right for you? If you already have the GO II, is it worth upgrading to the GO III? Or if you're in the market for a new wireless microphone, should you invest in the GO III or save money by opting for a used GO II? We'll answer this and more. As I mentioned earlier, the RØDE Wireless GO II and III microphones both have the same initial price of $299 USD. However, some retailers have already started reducing the price of the GO II by between $50 and $70. Both models boast RØDE's signature compact and lightweight builds, as well as similar small square form factor. However, the GO III takes it a step further and resembles the top-of-the-line RØDE Wireless Pro bodies. Notably, it features new locking lavalier connectors for enhanced security and has ditched the old GO II Gold branding on its face. Instead, it opts for a sleek and elegant design, showcasing only the RØDE logo. The GO III also offers 14 different color options, catering to YouTubers, Instagram, and TikTok content creators who frequently skip the lavalier mic attachment and clip the transmitter directly onto their clothing. The available colors include classic black, white, blue, clay, cobalt, green, lilac, moss, orange, pink, purple, red, rose, and stone. By choosing a color that aligns with their brand, content creators can enhance their visual appeal. In terms of audience, RØDE has positioned the GO III perfectly within the prosumer market, while the GO IIs are perhaps slightly more amateurish, for lack of a better term. Now let's dive into what truly matters, the features and functionalities of these two systems. To begin, let's look at what they have in common. Both systems are universally compatible with cameras, smartphones, and computers. They both use RØDE's Series 4 2.4 GHz digital transmission with 128-bit encryption, ensuring crystal clear audio. This is a transmission system used in the entire wireless lineup, from the Mi to the Pro. However, the GO III extends the range to an impressive 260 meters compared to the 200-meter range of the GO II, matching the range of the Wireless Pro. This makes the GO III the better choice for creators needing maximum distance and reliability. In terms of battery life, both systems deliver up to 7 hours on a single charge, but the GO III adds automatic plug-in power detection, which means the GO III will now recognize when your camera is turned on and off and will power itself accordingly, which helps to optimize your battery usage. Another standout feature of both systems are their onboard recording. Both the GO II and GO III offer over 40 hours of internal memory. With that said, the GO III now takes a page out of the Pro's handbook and introduces 32-bit float recording, meaning you can recover clipped audio and quiet audio with ease. No need to worry if your audio is a little too quiet. 32-bit technology lets you amplify this without adding unwanted noise. And if your audio is too loud and clips, you can recover an impressive amount of data and eliminate any noticeable distortion. This is a game-changing feature for the Wireless GO series. Keep in mind though that it's only available for onboard recording and not for direct-to-camera audio. With that said, the GO III also introduces some new advanced safety features to help protect your audio when you are recording direct-to-camera, including intelligent gain assist technology, ensuring pristine audio levels no matter the environment. Both systems have safety channels and offer flexible gain control, but the GO III gives you even more granular control and a new option for headphone monitoring with onboard level adjustment. So now that we've discussed the functions of both mics and the new features on the Wireless GO III, which one should you buy? And is the Wireless GO III worth the upgrade? Let's consider a few scenarios. First, if your gear isn't hindering your process, it's probably not worth upgrading. It's easy to overspend on gear upgrades if you're not careful. Even relatively inexpensive gear can produce impressive results when used correctly. So make sure you're already maximizing the potential of your current gear before investing in any upgrades. Now, if you own an original Wireless Go or a Go Mini and are looking for an upgrade, we highly recommend the Go III over the Go II. The improved range, new audio safety features, and 32-bit float onboard recording make the Go III a future-proof choice. As you progress and enhance your production quality, these features will ensure your mic remains reliable. If you're currently using a Go II, the new features on the Go III are definitely an upgrade. However, considering their similarities, you may be hard-pressed to tell the difference in a blind audio comparison when shooting under identical conditions. If you find the Go II limiting, it might be time to consider skipping the Go lineup altogether and opting for the Wireless Pro. For just another $100 or so, you gain access to more accessories and additional features like built-in timecode sync, which can greatly enhance your post-production work. If you're seriously considering either the Wireless Go III or Wireless Pro, we recommend you check out our video comparison. You might be surprised by the differences. Lastly, if you're new to video production and the Go models fit within your budget, we highly recommend the Wireless Go III due to its new audio safety features. However, your decision should also consider your specific budget and functional needs. Don't let gear limitations hinder your creativity. Get a Go Mini, Go II, or Go III and start shooting. Any of Røde's wireless mics are sure to deliver exceptional results. We hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's the best way you can support our channel. Check out these videos here if you think they look interesting, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.